Guys, we're back with a new video. In this video, we're going to be making sticky, slippery goop. And I'm from the Discovery Mind Blow kit. And this is my second thing. So we're going to make slimy goop. So I did my first video with my guest, Dippy, was dig for gems. So now we're going to, first you want to take 1 spoon. Everything you need is some blue dye and then a wooden stick, and then you need a spoon, and then a measuring cup full of water, and then you need some cornstarch. And most of this is in the kit except the spoon, and this is cornstarch. So let's get started. First, you want to take your spoon and take some of the cornstarch. And guys, we need 5 spoons of cornstarch. 5 full spoons. One. And guys, I put all my cornstarch. Now you want to take 25 ml and then slowly put it in the cup. Okay. Guys, that's all. Now let's mix it up. Put the color. So it's the blue dye. Now we got our food color, blue dye. Now we're gonna pour it in. Now we have the blue dye, and we're gonna put it in the spoon. 1 whole spoon of blue dye. Okay. Now we're gonna put it in the powder and the water. Now we're gonna mix it up with the wooden stick. So let's get started. Hard. And I also added a little more cornstarch because it was a little watery. So let's start again. Mixing it up. And stir well. So guys, this is how the slime looks, and it looks liquidy, but when you touch it, it's solid. And then when you let the slime go, it turns into liquid. Look, I took this piece out, then that's all forming, but then when I let this drop, it's molding into the slime back again. So that was the end. And I'm going to do more of these experiments. There's 2 more that I need to cover. So hope you try this out at your house. If you have the Discovery kit, it's at Macy's. So this was my Christmas gift. So bye guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.